thank you for coming to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying LECA for the first time. I already have my LECA boiled and rinsed, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to test the pH of my water. And this is water out of my rain barrel, so I'm interested to see what the pH is. I got these products from General Hydroponics. I can link everything that I have in the description down below. It says filled test vial half full with solution to be tested. So it came with this vial. Okay. Add 3 to 5 drops of pH test indicator to vial. So that's what this is. Oh, burning. Tap the side of the test vial to mix contents. Observe the color in test vial. One moment, please. Burr. So I would say that it is neutral, and that's fine. I think that's good, right? So, interesting test. Now, I got the original vitamin solution, and I'm going to add this to my water. So it says add 1/4 teaspoon per gallon, and then this pitcher is half a gallon. So I need to add 1/8 teaspoon. This does not smell pleasant, just FYI. Okay. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put my LECA in. I've got these net pots and these party solo cups, and from what I've seen is you fill up your cup about 1/3 of the way through. Then I've got several plants that we're going to try this on. All of these I've been water propagating, so they already have water roots, so I don't think that it'll be as much of a shock as if we were going from soil to LECA. So we're not really messing with the roots or anything, we're just transferring from my jars to the LECA. Okay, so this first one is a philodendron Brazil, and this has been water propagating probably for like a couple of months, and it's ready to be potted. So here's one, for example. So I'm just gonna take these and put them in here. One thing that has always surprised me about LECA from like watching BB plants is that the container is so small. Like this is a 3-inch pot, but it still works. I mean, obviously you can use a bigger pot, and you don't have to use a net pot like this. You can just put it in like a glass container, but it seems like people that like use LECA a lot use this method, so I thought I would give it a try. I was thinking about making this my work plant. Before I had a ZZ plant, before the shutdown, I was off work for like 3 months, so I brought that home with me, thankfully. but I thought about taking this back to work with me. This one doesn't seem to be rooted yet, so I'm gonna leave that. Some of these cuttings are more new than the other ones, and I just put them all in the same container. Okay, so they're all in there now, and now we're going to fill the rest of the pot with LECA. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in my cash pot. I want to make sure the roots are mostly in the LECA. They're kind of hanging out here. Okay, so now you fill the cash pot about 1/3 of the way full with the vitamin water. That's about halfway, but I think that'd be fine. So that's it. Some of the benefits of LECA is you don't have to worry about over or under watering. It's supposed to help with fungus gnats. That's really the main benefits in my opinion. Now, another net pot. Oh, and my cash pot. So the next one I'm going to do is this angel wing begonia. The roots have really taken off on this. I've only had it maybe a month, and it's done really well. So and one thing that I'm not really sure about, like, see these roots are a lot longer than the pot. Oh my gosh, this turned into a mess. Okay, but like this one, the roots only grew out of the bottom, so I'm assuming the ones up at the top are gonna die, but I think it should be okay. Oh, she's fallen over. there. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, it just fell out. Now what do I do? I'm just going to put a really thin layer at the bottom and then place it in so hopefully it can hold itself up better. Oh, I didn't put a cup. Oh my. Okay, we're back. That seems to be a lot better. Okay, that looks better, I think. I need to add a little more water. Okay. Yay. Okay. The next plant I'm gonna do is this Scindapsus pictus. This is looking kind of sad, so I'm going to pick off the dead parts. Let's get a nice root. Okay, so for some of these, like, I'm going to cut off that extra stem so the roots can go directly in the LECA rather than having that extra on there. So the last plant for today is this Monstera deliciosa cutting. It's got some nice roots going. This one is also having the problem of not being able stand up on its own. I'm trying to kind of lay it flat, but the way that the stem is just kind of wanting to fall over anyway. There we go. So these are the 4 plants that I put into LECA today. This is my first time ever trying LECA. I'm interested to see how it goes. I mean, I feel like people have a lot of success with it. So I hope that I can be one of those people. Leave me a comment down below if you have experience using LECA. I would appreciate any tips or comments. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'll see you guys later.